We're going to take a look now at the activities in the platform. Here we are in the Getting Started module. This is the orientation module, and again you've got an introduction outlining what you'll be doing in this module, and you'll also see that you've got an activity book and an activity. Let's take a look at the activity book. Each module has an activity book like this one, and you'll see that here on the right there's a table of contents, and you can use this to, just like in the book, go from page to page. And here on this page we've got an outline of the activity, giving you information of what to do in this activity. The other thing that's interesting in the activity books is that you've also got the navigation block, and we're going to use that to navigate to the week 1 activity book, which we can do by clicking there and going to the activity book in week 1. Okay, so here's the introduction. Again, we've got the table of contents. You know, the introduction gives you an overall outline of the module, all the different activities. Notice that they're split into core activities and optional activities. These optional ones you can do if you have time, and here you've got a deadline for first 7 activities, which ideally should be done before you have the online live session. Okay, and again you can navigate either using the table of contents, or you can use these tabs here at the top or here at the bottom to scroll from one page to another in the activity book. The other interesting thing in the activity book, or about the activity book, is that you've got this admin block, and here you've got the option of printing the activity book, either the whole of the book or here this particular page, which is called a chapter. And this is probably a good idea if you can download it and print it off and maybe keep it on your desk and tick off the activities as you go through them. Let's go back to core activities. This is the outline for the first activity in week 1, and it gives you an idea of what the study area is, the aim of the particular activity, roughly how long it might take you, and then the instructions. And here you've got a link to the actual activity, and let's take a look at that, shall we? Okay, so this is the activity, and again, quick introduction, and then to start the activity you need to click on attempt. This is an activity where there's a listening exercise. You can click on this to listen to the recording.
Okay, great. So
and then you can answer the questions. I'm not sure, let's just answer them like that, and then you click on next. Then, very important, you need to click on the submit all and finish. That will then allow you to get feedback on your answers. Okay, and there you see you've got the feedback, gives you your score, so we weren't very careful about answering the questions, and gives you an explanation, a tip, and then tells you what the next activity will be. You can scroll down and get the explanations of why your answers were not correct. Then when you finish, click on Finish Review, and then you can use the navigation block to either go back to the book, or to go back to week 1, or you can go on to the next activity by clicking here. Okay, so that's a quick rundown of the activities in the platform.